On the first day, we have to make an animatic. An animatic is storyboard, very simple, just to know how the teams have to dawn on the 5 days. On the second day, each team explain his work to the other teams, and we have 3 days of production until Friday. Friday afternoon, we have a presentation of the globality of the video clip. It's a video clip for a band called Coldplay, and the song is Up and Up. The students are very positive, they enjoy the workshop, I think, and we have a lot of exchange together. It's a very good experience to discover new cultures, new way of thinking, and we work very well together.